To me versus for me, confusing word series. How would you say this in English? Is this video to you or for you? They sound very similar, but they don't mean the same thing. Let's make it clear and simple. To me, direction, message. Let's start with to me. We use to when something goes towards a person, a message, words, information, or an action. Think of direction. Think of a receiver. Look at some examples. She gave the keys to me. In other words, the keys move from her to me. He sent the message to her. The message goes in her direction. Imagine the movement. Don't shout to us from the kitchen. Please don't lie to me. Did he say that to you or to her? He didn't write to them for weeks. She never explained to him what happened. In all these examples, you can feel movement and direction. Something is going to someone. If you can imagine movement in your head, you probably need to use to. For me, benefit, purpose. Now let's look at for me. We use for when someone does something to help, to benefit, or for the good of another person. It's not about direction, it's about purpose. Here are some examples. She cooked dinner for me. The dinner is for my benefit. She never works for others, only for money. It shows motivation with a focus on purpose. Can you do a favor for me? He opened the door for her. He saved some money for the trip. They organized a surprise party for their friends. He didn't do it for her, he did it for himself. Here you can feel care, benefit, intention. If someone does something so that another person benefits, that's for. Quick checklist. Memory tip. Let's make it very simple. To, direction, message, receiver. It goes towards someone. For, benefit, help, purpose. It is done for someone. Return to the question. So, how would you say it? This video is to you or for you? The natural answer is, this video is for you, because it's made to help you, to support you, to make English clearer. The focus is on purpose and benefit. In this situation, native speakers say, this video is for you. It's my message to you. Thank you for learning with Lingportal. And yes, I'll be waiting for you, because the next video is very useful. See you soon!